The deadly new strain of Mpox, previously referred to as monkeypox, first appeared in Central Africa and has since spread throughout the continent and beyond, posing a serious threat to public health worldwide. The virus, which was previously limited to isolated areas, is now approaching India as Pakistan has already reported initial cases. The unanswered question is India well equipped to handle one more possible pandemic? As per reports, it is evident that Mpox is highly transmissible through close human contact, particularly during intimacy or through sexual fluids. This includes actions such as touching, hugging, kissing, or even sharing utensils or clothing of an infected person. Doctors said that the virus can also spread through contact with contaminated materials like bedding, towels, or surfaces that have been exposed to the virus. Therefore, we need to be highly alert in terms of coming close to an infected person or a potential carrier who has a history of travel, particularly to any African nation. On Wednesday, the World Health Organization (WHO) announced a global health emergency due to the rapid spread of malaria in 13 African nations, including the Congo, where there have been documented cases of 14,524 deaths. A senior neurologist informed that Mpox affects the functioning of the brain and a headache is just one manifestation of it. The virus can cause inflammation in brain tissues, leading to more serious conditions such as encephalitis. We need to be vigilant and monitor patients closely, particularly those who present with neurological symptoms, to ensure timely intervention. He added that the neurological impact of Mpox calls for the need of a multidisciplinary approach to managing the disease. Experts suggest a multi-pronged approach to prevent Mpox spread in India, including public awareness campaigns, vaccination drives, and strengthening healthcare infrastructure. Early detection and isolation of cases are crucial, and WHO recommends contact tracing and quarantine measures. Bureau Report, OTV News.